Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Today is auspicious Mesha Sankramanam. Marks around 12 years of my study into Yoga Vasishta or Vasishta Gita. Vasishta Gita is written by Valmiki. It has a wonderful poetic value along with the great philosophy, and it is the Ramayanam, means Rama's inward journey towards the philosophical knowledge, spiritual knowledge, gaining it from Vasishta Maharshi. So Vasishta Maharshi takes up a method of explaining philosophy in a set of narrations, and Chudala's narration comes in the Nirvana Prakaranam, the Purvartham, last but one narration. So the Chudala is a Saurashtra's princess, got married to Ikshvaku Kula Sanjata Sikhidvaja, King Sikhidvaja. This couple is they have all this narration as once happened in the last Kalpa, and one of the Dwapara Yugas, and another time it is going to happen in the next Manvantara. So they both got married. Both are intelligent. They learn each vidya from each other. They enjoy all their life for several years. Slowly, when they start to become old, they get interested in Adhyatma Vidya. Both will start going to different scholars and keep listening to their discourses, understand the spirituality and stuff like that. King Sikhidvaja gets busy with his kingdom, ruling of the kingdom, governance and stuff like that. Chudala continues and continues her persistent sadhana, self-enquiry. She goes with a specific method of self-enquiry which takes her from one layer to the other layer, and finally she realizes her true self. Because of she has realized, she gains a new brightness, new liveliness, or the youth in her. Observing this, Sikhidvaja asks for what is the reason, what did you get it, and Chudala gives her expression of the realization. So this sarga, which is having 79th sarga of Nirvana Prakarana Purvartha, it has 31 slokas. For the beauty of its poetry and the meaning, I actually wanted to keep a record of reading it out. So Apurva Srimati Drushtva Prushtaya Dharani Bhruta Chudalaya Swasobhaya Hotur Bodhotra Varnyate. So Swasobhaya, how she has become bright, that is being Varnyate, is being explained in this thing. This sloka is from the Tatparya Prakashika. So by bowing down to Vasishta Maharshi and all the great set of sages who have worked this and translated this work into Telugu language, so that it will come into my level of my ability of understanding, and they have explained in various ways with their own explanations, and my guru who has introduced me to this, bowing down to whole this great lineage of teachers, I will make an attempt to read this with a bit of English explanation. How wonderful the poetry and the philosophy are intertwined together in this great epic of Maharamayana, Yoga Vasishta or Vasishta Gita. वसिष्ठ श्री वसिष्ठ उवाच दिनानुदिनमित्येषा स्वात्मारामतया तया नित्यमन्तर्मुखतया बभूव प्रकृतिस्थिता. So day by day, swatmaramataya, by taking refuge in own atma, nityam antarmukhataya, always the direction of her view is inward. Antarmukhataya, mukha, face, or the what is direction, antarmukhataya, turned inward. Babhuva prakriti sthita, she has become established in her own self, prakrutim, her own nature. Niraga, nirupasanga, nirdvandva, nissamihita, na jahati na chadatte, prakrutacharini, prakrutacharini. Niraga, not having raga. Nirupasanga, not having dvesha. Asanga, sanga, attachment. Nirdvandva, not having duality. Nissamihita, so not having any ichhas. Na jahati, she not rejecting anything. Na chadatte, not taking anything. Prakrutachara charini, just the nature, let the nature run in its own way. Achara charini, so she is not giving up anything, not taking anything, but all the karyas, whatever need to be done in the nature, are going on smoothly. परितीर्ण भवाम्बोधि शांत संदेह जालिका परमात्मा महालाभ परिपूर्णांतरात्मना परिपूर्ण अंतरात्मना परितीर्ण भवाम्बोध विश्रांता शुचिरं शांता घनलब्ध पदांतरे सर्वोपमातीततया जगद जगाम अव्यपदेश्यताम्. So Paritirna Bhavambodhi, after crossing over this samsara Bhava Ambodhi, Santa Sandeha Jalika, all the doubts have been pacified. Santa, they have attained their peace. Sandeha Jalika, so it is like a net of Sandehas, net of doubts. All the net of doubts have become pacified. Paramatma Mahalabha, having got the Supreme Self, Paripurnantaratmana. So Antaratma, her inward Atma, her heart fulfilled, Paripurna. Vishranta, having completely taken the Shanti, Vishranta, rest. Suchiram Santa, so not the rest of temporary rest. Suchiram Santa, so it is not, it is Vishranta, Suchiram Santa. So Shranti and Shanti, there is a difference between that. Shranti is taking rest after exertion. Shanti is naturally going into a state of not starting anything. Shanti, Shranti. Ghanalabdha padantare, so Ghana, solidly she got that thing. Sarvopamatitataya, so she has become uncomparable. Sarva upama atitataya Jagamavyapadasatam. So you cannot compare her, compare her saying that she is like this. Itisa bhaminitasya chodala varavarnini swalpe naivahi kalena yayau vidita vedyatam. So this bhamini, this girl, tasya chodala, that chodala, varavarnini, who is a selected, having a varna, rajapatni, Varavarnini, Swalpena ivahi kalena, not too long, in a short period. Swalpena ivahi kalena, Yayau vidita vedyatam. She has become learned of all that what need to be learned. Vidita vedyatam. Yadha yamagataha kaschid jagataha spandavibhramaha tadha viliyate sarvam tattvajnanavati swayam. So Yatha ayam agataha kaschid jagataha spanda vibhramaha. The spanda vibhramaha, the doubt or the oscillation of vibhrama, how naturally it comes to somebody to who is deluded. In the same way, tadha viliyate sarvam. In the same way, it leaves Tattvajnanavati Swayam. Once getting the Tattvajnana, the supreme knowledge of self, the Brahma will automatically go away. So once the ignorance is there, all the Brahma will come. How naturally the confusion Brahma will come to somebody who is ignorant, if the same natural ease, it goes away on its own without any difficulty. It's a wonderful way of describing it. Adrushta सकले शांते अदृष्ट सकले शांते पदे विश्रांतिमेत्य सा रराज शरदच्छाभ्रमे मालेव गत संभ्रमा. So she started Raraja to show the shobha or the brightness of a Sharatkala Megham. So, which is not a darker cloud but the lighter cloud. Like she started bright like a Sharatkala's Megha. Anakula Samaloka Sambandhanatmanatmani Jaradgaviva Shailagriam Satrunam Prapya Samsthita. Anakula, having no akulas, any problems. Like a old cow, old Jaradgaviva, okay, very old cow, which has got a wonderful green lush top on a top of a mountain, a green lush garden with water, everything. So no vyakula, nothing to worry. The whole of the thing what is required by that cow, it is there. In the same way, Sailagram Jaradgaviva, so Viva, like on the top of a mountain with all these facilities, one old cow is there. In the same way, Anakula Samaloka Sambandhanatmani, so she became peaceful like that. Prapya Samsthita. Svaviveka Ghanabhyasa Vasadatmodayena sa Vasat Atmodayena sa Sushubhe Sobhana Pushphalate Vabhi Navodgata. So like a fresh new flower, a blooming flower, she started blooming like a fresh flower of Svaviveka Ghanabhyasa, on her own Viveka, discriminative ability, Abhyasa of it, practicing her own discriminative ability. So Atmaodaya, like a Atma is rising in a Shushubhe Sobhana Pushphalateva Abhinavodgata, like a freshly blooming flower she started to be. Adhatamasa Adhatam Anavadyangim Kadachitsa Sikidhvajaha Apurva Sobhamalokya Smayamana Uvachaha. So having seen such a wife who is completely new, renewed, Sikidhvaja asked, Bhuyo Yavanayuktena Manditeva Punah Punaha Adhikam Rajase Tanvi Jagadrajavati Yatha. So, oh, my loving wife, you look like you became younger now. Punah Punaha Adhikan Rajase, your brightness is becoming much better. Have you become Jagadrajavati Yatha? Have you become the world queen, queen of the world? Pratipa Amrutapaneva Amruta Sareva Labdha Labhyapadena cha Ananda Pura Purneva Rajase Nitaram Priya. Or have you gone to Swarga and had the nectar? So have you got something like that? Ananda Apura Purneva. So whatever is not got earlier anywhere, such a thing, did you get some such thing like that? Upasantancha Kamancha Dadhanan Sundaram Vapuhu Abhibhuyendu Mayasi Sriyam Kamapi Kamini. So how you have got all this beauty back? Your face is glowing like moon. Abhoga Kurpanam Santam Urjitam Samatangatam Gambhirancha Prasantancha Chetah Pasyamite Priye. I see you very much contented, Gambhirancha Prasantancha. You are very Gambhira and also you are very peaceful. You are very contented, fulfilled and Gambhira. And Prasantancha at the same time. Trunikritya Tribhuvanam Vitakhila Jagadrasam Anandodamaram Somyam Manappasyami Te Priye. You look like not interested in anything in the world. Tunikrutya Tribhuvanam. All these three words you are taking it as granted, like truna, like one blade of grass. Vitakhila Jagadrasam. So all these Jagat Rasam, whatever essence of this world, you seem to be just not caring about anything in the world. Na kechin Mahabhage Vibhavananda Sundara Chetastava Tulameti Marukshirabdhi Sundaram. So how like Marukshirabdhi Sundaram. So how you look that fulfilled, like Shirabdhi, like a milky ocean, like you are filled with milky ocean. You are looking like that. Taireva Balakadalim Runalankura Komalaihi Angai Stiti Manuprapyer Vruddhim Yateva Lakshase. So you look like as Komala, as fresh, like a fresh new banana tree. So a fresh new banana tree, when it is coming up, the softness of that is I see in you. Tadha tenaiva Samvineseva samstita anyata upataya tasi lateva rutuparyaye. Like a creeper, you grow like you are so fresh like a creeper in the rutu, in the right rutu, in the lateva rutuparya. After Shishir rutu, in the Vasanta, a new creeper comes up. That komala, that fresh and that beauty is what is there in you. Kim tvaya petamamrutam praptam samrajyameva va amrutyameva samprapta prayoga yoga yuktitaha. So have you got some kind of yoga? So you have gone to, you have won over the death or something like that. Rajya Chinnamas Renvapi Trilokya Apraptam Kimanupraptam Nilotpala Vilochane. So what is that you have got which makes you so beautiful, so wonderful, so peaceful, so all these positive qualities? How you have got all these qualities? So this is we have come to 20 slokas of Vasishtha explaining and Sikhidwaja asking the question. Now actually Chudala answers this with Tenasmi Srimati Sthita. In each sloka, in the end, Tena Asmi Srimati Sthita. I became a Srimati. Shri is Shreyas. I have attained the Shreyas by this means. So the by that means she will keep adding to it. There are about 10 slokas of Tenasmi Srimati Sthita. So this is Chudala's song, or the Chudala's description of her own realization. So the realization is same, but how each person expresses that realization differs. So this is what comes here. Chudalo vacha. Nakinchit kinchidakaram idam tyaktvahamagata. Nakinchit kinchidakaram tenasmi srimati sthita. So I nakinchit kinchidakaram idam tyaktvahamagata. I have not given up anything. Nakinchit kinchid akaram idam tyaktva ahamagata. Nakinchit kinchidakaram tenasmi srimati sthita. So I have not taken up anything new of any new sort. I have not given up anything old of the sort. But kinchit kinchidakaram. So that alliteration there says, means I have given up but not given up anything. I have taken thing but not taken anything. So I have become Srimati Sthita. I have become a Tenasmi Srimati Sthita. Idam sarvam parityajya sarvamanyam maya asritam yattat sarvam asatyancha tenapi Srimati Sthita. Idam sarvam parityajya. All this I have, whatever is differentiated, sarvam parityajya, I have given it away. idam sarvam parityajya sarvam anyan mayashritam. So knowing that sarvamanyan, after giving up all the differential thing, knowing that everything is dependent on me. So knowing that I am the roots of yattat satyam asatyancha, whatever is known to be in the world, what is known as truth, satyam, asatyancha, what is known as asatyam cha. So even whatever is known as truth and untruth is tena asmi sarvamanyan mayashritam, all coming from me. So tena asmi Srimati Shrita. I have become Srimati because of this thing. Yatkinchit yanna kinchitya tajjanami yatha sthitam yudhodayam yatha nasam tena asmi Srimati Sthita. Yatkinchit yanna kinchit, whatever is there, whatever kinchit is there, whatever small thing is there, yat nakinchit, whatever is not there, tajjanami yatha sthitam, I know that janami, I know, yatha sthitam, what is there as it is, I know what it is. Yadhodayam yatha nasam, what is udayam, what is rising, yatha nasam, what is destroyed, whatever is rising, whatever is being created, whatever is, tena asmi Srimati Sthita. So whatever is not going out, not coming in, that with that yathasthitam, whatever is there, yat kinchit yat nakinchit. So whatever is there, whatever is not there, tat janami, that I know that. Yadhodayam yathanasam, whatever is coming out, whatever is going out, that also I know. Based on that, tena asmi Srimati Sthita. Bhogair abhuktais tushyami bhuktaireva suduragaihe na hrushyami na kupyami tena asmi Srimati Sthitaha. So all these enjoyable things, bhogai, bhuktais tushyami, whatever I have been enjoying, I am happy with them. Bhuktaireva suduragaihi, whatever I am not enjoying, whatever I have not enjoyed, there are very far away, suduragai, that which are lot far away from me, such bhogais also I am happy with them. Means those bhogas which are not there with me, even for them I am happy. Na hrushyami, I am not just enjoying. Na kupyami, I am not even worried. Tena asmi Srimati Sthitaha. Ekaiva akasa sankase kevale hrudaye rame nareme lajalilasu tena asmi Srimati Sthitaha. So ekaiva akasa sankase, there is only one space. Eka eva akasa sankase, there is only one space. Kevale hrudaye rame, in the non-objective heart there is undivisible space which is there. Kevale akasa sankase ekaiva akasa sankate kevale hrudaye rame, I am enjoying in that heart, my own heart, which is universal, one akasa sankase, not differentiated from the space. Kevale hrudaye rame narame rajalilasu, I am not very much attached or enjoying the Raja Leelas, means the queen. I am a queen, I am this Leelasu, tena asmi Srimati Sthita. So my limitation of being a queen is gone away. Atmanyeva hit tishtami hyasanodhyana bhumishu na bhogeshu na lajjasu tenaham Srimati Sthita. Atmanyeva hit tishtami. So I am established myself in myself. Hyasano dhyana bhumishu. He asano dhyana bhumishu. So I am not established in asanas, udyana bhumishu. So I am not in these gardens, I am not in these big thrones or whatever what I have. No bhogeshu, I am not established in the bhogas. Na lajjasu, I am not established in the lajja is the shyness of not having bhogas. Na lajjasu. So opposite of the bhogeshu, na lajjasu. Lajja is actually means feeling anything less, not having something. So feeling shy about something. Na bhogeshu na lajjasu tenaham Srimati Sthita. Jagatam prabhurevasmi na kinchin matra rupini ityatmanyeva tushyami tenaham Srimati Sthita. Jagatam prabhuhu eva asmi. So for all this world, I am the Lord. Na kinchin matra rupini, I am not anything also. I have no form. Na kinchin matra rupini. So I have given up my limitation to this current form. Na kinchin matra rupini. Ityatmanyeva tushyami. Iti atmani eva tushyami. In this way, I am established in my contentment. Tenaham Srimati Sthita. So all the attachment, all the dependency on objects are gone away. Idam chadamiham naham sattvachaham nachapyaham sarvamasmi nakinchitya tenaham Srimati Sthita. Idam chaham, this I am. Naham, idam naham, this not I am. This is I am, this is not I am. Satyachaham, I am truth. Nachapi aham, not this I am. Sarvamasmi, I am everything. Na kinchit cha, I am not anything also. Tenaham Srimati Sthita. With this understanding, I have been always happy. Na sukham prarthaye, nartham, nanartham netaram sthitim, yatha praptena hrushyami tenaham Srimati Sthita. So this is something kind of yatha prapta jivis. This is a great statement. Nak sukham prarthaye. I am not looking for prarthaye. I am not pleading anybody, any supreme power for sukham, for the happiness. Nardham, nanardham, nardham. So I am not looking for any wealth, artham. Nanardham. So that means I am not looking for anardham also. Meaningless thing. I am not looking meaningless. Na itaram sthitim. So I am not in any other state saying that any other state which is kind of tamasic states of not having or the discontentment or anything. Yatha praptena hrushyami. Whatever is coming to me, I am happy with it. I beyond everything else, yatha praptena hrushyami. So I keep myself engaged in whatever comes to me fully and always diligently. Tenaham Srimati Sthita. So that's why I have become a Srimati. Srimati, one who is Shreyas. Tanu vidvesha rajabhihi, pragnabhihi, shastra društibhihi, rame saha vayasyabhihi, stenaham Srimati Sthitaha. So, ragadvesha, tanu vidvesha rajabhihi. So, tanu vidveshas, all the dveshas, so my mind is gone away from all these vidveshas, means any conflicts with anybody, beyond all conflicts. Pragnabhihi shastra društibhihi. So always established in what shastra view is. So not gone to anything beyond the shastras. Ramesaha vayasyabhihi stenaham Srimati Sthitaha. So Ramesaha vayasyabhihi. So whoever is there along with my people, tenaham Srimati Sthita. Pasyami yanna yanarasmibhirindriyairva. Pasyami yanna yanarasmibhirindriyairva chitteva chahahi tadangana kinchideva. Pasyami tadvirahitam tu na kinchidastaha. Pasyami samyagiti natha chirodayasmi. Ityarshe Sri Vasishta Maharamayane Valmikiye Devadutokte Mokshopayeshu Nirvana Prakarane Purvardhe Chudalopakhyaने Chudala Atmalabho Nama Ekona Asititama Sargaha. So this is 79th Sarga. So what is saying? Pasyami Yatna. What with normal eyes cannot see, I am able to see. Pasyami Yatna Yanarasmi Bhirindriyairvaha. With indriyas, beyond all the sense organs, I am able to see. What is chittena chehe tadangana kinchideva? Not even imaginable by chitta. I am able to see what is not seen by the memory. The memory, the ability of inferencing. Chittena chehe tadangana kinchideva. So what that one which is cannot be seen by all these things. Pasyami tad virahitantu nakinchidantaha. Pasyami tat, that I am seeing that, which is beyond all the mithya, all the temporary things. Pasyami samyagiti, samyak pasyami, I am seeing equally everywhere. Samyagiti natha, oh my husband, chirodaya asmi, chira udaya asmi. So that atma which has which is ever rising, which is chirodaya asmi, not like now it is rising, I am seeing always rising, risen atma, I am seeing that, which cannot be seen through indriyas, through chitta, or anything else, no other instrument. So I am experiencing the atma in and out always. It is neither inward nor outward, being this yatha prapt jivi. So that is what is making me Shrimati. Shrimati is a prosperous woman, or Shrimati Sthita. Tena asmi Shrimati Sthita. So this sarga ends here. So the attempt today is to read out and give the quick snippet of one sarga from this great Yoga Vasishtha Maharamayana. Again, bowing down to all the teachers who have put all their efforts in translating it, explaining it word by word in these books. So Sri Malayala Swami and Sri Vidya Prakashanandagiri Swami, highly revered people. They have done a lot of work in studying this, making it Ratnakaram, concising it, consolidating it to bring it to several people. The Chudalas Atmalabha on this great Mesha Sankramana Parva Dina. May the inward journey of Rama's inward journey is Yoga Vasishtha, as I mentioned everywhere, inspire several people who are trying to go inward, and help them get to that eternal state of realization. So with that, Swasti. Om Namo Gurubhyo Mahadbhyo. Om Namo Swami Virajeshwaraya. Swasti.